Hi friends, welcome to Trending Sutra. My name is Amit, and what happened today in the market? It was quite expected. Market opens with a gap up, but ultimately ends in a moderate positive closing. So let's take a snapshot on what actually happened during the session. Nifty closed positive 52 points, whereas Bank Nifty closed positive 102 points. In the future also, Bank Nifty and Nifty both close approximately nearby that level. VIX closed almost flat around 12.89. FIA activity, FII sold 372 crore, whereas DIA bought 926 crore, approximately 500 crore, 450 crore as near about. There was a buying in the market. Rupee, in fact, today closed positive by 0.45%, approximately in 34.50 paisa, after dollar index fell yesterday, as we were expecting, as the inflation data come below the expectation. In the Nifty, 34 stocks ended positive, whereas 16 stocks negative. In the Bank Nifty, 7 stocks ended positive, whereas 5 stocks ended negative. Especially Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank were the leader, were the dragger in the Bank Nifty. In the derivative segment, index future, FII sold in the option and future index both, whereas in the future, they bought around 559 crore. Client wise, position wise, client remained positive overall, but they were short in the index. DIA remained positive, FIA remained negative, DIA remained negative, and the institutional remain negative all over the index and the all over position. So technically, as per data, EOD basis, market has cut its longs and entered its short position, build up its short position after the gap up in the market. So approximately again 18,800, there was a nervousness in the market, and Bank Nifty couldn't break and sustain above 44,270 level. So that was the overall trend in the market. Bank Nifty largely remained range bound, not even moving more than 109 points entire session. Nifty remained volatile. It gave approximately 2-3 times good upside and downside movement. So movement was basically in the Nifty because IT index again goes in positive. It gained 1.15%, and it is now on a daily EMI 21 moving average, near to 21 moving average, and we'll see if IT index is able to break that level or not. Coming back to the market, in the market, SDFC Twins, IT, SBI remains the leading in positive contributor in the index, whereas ICICI Reliance and FMC remain the drag there. In the option market, Nifty PCR closed at 0.85, whereas maximum point remain at 18,600. In the Bank Nifty, it is surprisingly now at 1.2257, the PCR, and the max point is now shifted from 43,800 to 44,000. So in the option wise, heavily put writer had read its position, whereas we could expect that the market is slightly overbought. Some correction, whether it comes today, whether it comes in tomorrow's session or not, that we are not certain of it. Today tonight we'll have a event from the Fed. Fed is going to take a policy decision. Along with that, what is going to be the commentary and the further outlook for the next year, that will be quite interesting, whether we will have some slight hawkish or a more dovish kind of approach from the Fed, or is it satisfied with the latest data, economic data coming in the last few weeks? So overall, if we see market strength except FMCG, all the indices closing positive today. Overall market strength remain positive. Our indexes remain positive, but volatility comes down, as we know that VIX are now flat. So going ahead, if let's say we have a very 50 basis point is market is almost considered and factor in with the 50 basis point of high. And if we see that Fed is still not satisfied with the number, and even a slight hawkish tone coming from the Fed, then probably market will react into the negative territory, especially the S&P and Nasdaq. As we saw last yesterday in the night during the US session, Dow in fact fell 1,000 point from its session high. Why it happened? Because as we were mentioning it yesterday, that despite the inflation number comes below the expectation, but it is quite high, above 7% is quite high. So market will wait for it. And whatever really we have seen in last couple of session, last couple of days, even in stock in US market, and our market is already outperforming quite well. So that is almost price in with the current set of datas and current set of events. Still, we'll see what is the outcome of the Fed today and how our market is going to react in tomorrow. Market is quite open on the both side as far as the data is concerned. That we will only came to know in the morning tomorrow. That's it for now. That's it for now. There's a request. Kindly like this video, share with your traders and friends, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.